What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Relly Bo, and let me tell you guys, man, this is my boy Justin Oda. He cuts to the left of me, and he don't ever want a haircut. You Samurai Jack looking, onion head looking. Nah, but I'm playing, guys. Go ahead and give my boy a follow at BarberOda. He be posting some dope videos. My boy got bars, and yeah, shout out to him for letting me shoot this video. But in this video, I'm gonna be doing a high-low fade with the design on the side, so stay tuned. So to start off, I got my 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and you want to go ahead and knock down everything on the sides. Make sure it's real nice and even. So with high-low fades, you want to do your part first before your bald lines. Well, in this case, we're going to do our design first. So we're going to do our design all along the side of the head, going down the neck. So I want to keep my blend the same shape of the design. So I'm going to start my bald line like 1 inch underneath it. And I'm just going to go with the flow of the whole design. So we just got done balding out the low side of the fade. So right here, I'm going to start on the high side of the fade. So I'm going to start on the back, and I'm basically just getting bottom out like a regular high fade. So using my 5-star finales, I'm going to go ahead and full shave all around, just beneath the first bald lines. So we're going to go ahead and fade the low side, which is the design side. And using my Babyliss Go to FX's, I'm going to start my guideline like 1/2 inch with the lever all the way open. So now we're going to blend out that guideline. So I'm going to start with the lever all the way closed and gradually open the lever just to blend out the rest of that guideline. Now using the number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and knock down everything underneath the design. Now I'm using my half guard and I'm going to start with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be gradually closing the lever, working my way down to blend out that bottom line. So let me tell you guys, things in life don't always go the way you want it to. So I'm going back to the no guard and I'm going to be opening and closing the lever, blending out that bottom line as much as possible. Just getting everything that half guard couldn't get. So now we're going to work on fading out the high side of the fade. So basically the same steps as a high fade. So using no guard lever all the way open, I'm going to make this first guideline going up about 1 inch. So now we're going to blend out that guideline that we just created. So starting with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to be gradually opening the lever just to blend out the rest of that guideline. So now I'm using my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about 1 inch, but I'm not making a guideline, I'm just blending it into the top. So guys, I'm really upset I ruined the color scheme with my guards, but I grabbed my black half guard. It's the same thing as the red one, but basically I'm going to be opening and closing the lever, trying to blend out the rest of that bottom line just to finish off this blend. So the thing with thick hair, guys, sometimes you just gotta keep going back on it. So going back to my number 1 guard, I'm gonna be opening and closing the lever, still trying to lighten up this blend. So I'm going back to using no guard. I'm just gonna do some touch-up work. So I'm just gonna be cornering out the dark spots, making it look more blended, and basically I'm trying to get this fade as clean as possible. So there's a patch right here that I did not show in the video that I did cut off, but basically I'm just making this line right here crispier, just so the low side really pops. So this is pretty much it for the YouTube video, guys. That's basically it on this high-low fade with the design on the side. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to keep updated on any upcoming YouTube videos or for daily posts, follow me on Instagram at RellyBoBarber and book your next appointment with me on Booksy.